What's the meaning of cask? Cask. Cask.
Cask. Cask. The word cask refers to a type of barrel or container traditionally used for storing and transporting liquids, such as wine, beer, or spirits. These containers are typically made of wood, such as oak, and have a capacity of between 40 and 100 gallons. Casks are often associated with the process of aging alcoholic beverages, as the porous nature of the wood allows the liquid to breathe and develop more complex flavors over time. They are also used in modern craft brewing and distilling to impart specific flavors to the final product.